we, the warrior women, are keepers of the home fire. Iskato means fire in Ihiawawan. In my Cree culture, fire is spiritual. Life and energy and connecting with Creator. We are guided by it, led with intention and strength. The gifts of the land spark a fire in me and within others, an endless source and space for wellness, healing, and true connection. I am honored to share this land with guests from all over the world, offering my life, my energy, and story to all. This passing of knowledge will live in your heart forever. My name is Matricia Bauer. My traditional name is Iskawa Chitawachi Nitsigetson, she who moves mountains. Iskato is within us all, to embrace and follow our own fire, passion, and purpose. Your seat around the fire is calling. Gisigaw pisam ega kipayak. The sun won't wait for you.